Thank you guys so much for sticking with us right here on Pre This. Now, hear the pre. Gas prices continue to rise each week. Now, here's a tip on how you can save. It's now time for our fuel saving tip of the week, brought to you by Petcom. Now, we reach Caribbean Maritime Institute. I'm going to see if I can get inside and sign up for a course. More learn how to sail a ship. Big ship sailing on the ocean.
This fuel-saving tip is brought to you by Petcom, rising to your expectations. Anticipating stops and avoiding abrupt stops will decrease fuel consumption and increase the life of your brakes and your tires. This fuel-saving tip was brought to you by Petcom, rising to your expectations.
Lime for living every day, but that not spell lime. But anyways, let's get into this week's Lime Top 10 Singles Chart. Brought to you by Lime. And of course, you want to find out which tune and the baddest song in Jamaica. This is the chart for Pre. Now remember, Caribbean viewers, when it comes to Jamaica, make sure you keep the link strong, Get your Lime chip and sort it out. Now Pre the charts, mad.
Show me love, and I tell me my sweet like for drinks, a party shot, like my STD, girl, them a wine for me, yeah. How we have this style with them love, them watch we like MTV.
No boy no bother down way. No boy no bother down way. They pan me can and say them no for dance and fancy.
I beg you stay far out of them way. Come you know them off of me. Once me go in the cemetery, that them not go say. I beg you stay far.
Broke it on. 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 Broke it on.
Baby, I L-O-V-E-Y-O-U, L-O-V-E, I love you. I'm missing you like. If only you could see, oh yeah, the change you made in me.
Canada short, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me lit, me no want see no host. Me a rave and a wait, pan the sun to come out.
All I want you to know is your love is life changing. And I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life saving.
Love how you sit down and wine pon your head. You have the boom, them gyal the wine dead. Baby that split they a mash up me head. Me and me gyal a touch till we jump off up. Ooh, me say gyal fi beg, gyal fi.
Alright, so that's how we bring the curtains down on yet another exciting episode of Pre This. I gotta say thank you guys so much for watching each and every week. Let's big up Flow TV in Jamaica, Carib Cable in Antigua and Barbuda, and of course, Tempo Networks. Remember to like our Facebook page and follow us at Pre This Show so you can interact with us during the show. Mad. My name is Kazmar. We're in my yard beat. I'm on Jamaica 50 coming up. Cop a yard beat, get your national spirit going. And until next week, next time, same place. We're gonna go airport right now. Go on, Pre This. This bike is big.